Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this one, I'm gonna be showing you my current apartment. I thought this would be like a fun video to film because I'm actually gonna be moving out from this apartment pretty soon. We actually bought a condo. I'm really excited, and I thought that's a great opportunity to show you my current place in Boston. So this apartment is a 2-bedroom apartment. It's really old. I think it's from the 40s. So a lot of the things in the apartment are still like original, like the doors, which are really annoying. And another thing that I really hate about this place is the closets because they are tiny. But other than that, I was really happy here, and I thought this video would be like a great opportunity for me to look back at this place and just like remember the good times. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get into the video. Okay guys, welcome to my living room. This is probably my favorite room of the apartment because it's so bright. Like, this is the only room that has adequate lighting during the day because it has like so many more windows than the other rooms. This is like an open concept kind of like living slash dining room, and my kitchen is kind of connected on the other side. I don't have a ton of furniture and ton of stuff. So this is my couch. I really like this like mid-century furniture style. I think it looks really cute. My tables were a set, so I have 2 end tables and this like round coffee table. The other end table is on this side, and we really couldn't like think of a spot to put it. I feel like here would be so much in the way. But anyways, I have this like IKEA storage thing that everyone has, and I actually really like it. I really like the color. I just want to do a better job of decorating it. So for now, I try to organize my books by color. I could do a better job for sure, but like this is just like a temporary solution. And in my next apartment, I really want to have like a color theme for the living room. Like, I want to have like a couple colors that are like repeated throughout. Right now it's kind of a mess, but it doesn't matter. I have 2 canvases on top. I have this like little black cat print that I really like. Literally just printed it off Pinterest, and I think it looks super cute. This is from my Harry Potter unboxing. I have my camera here. We have some cat furniture. This is my cat's little cat tree. They like to hang out here and like sleep on top. I love my fake plant from Target. I really like it. And I have this like little cat scratcher. My cats are obsessed with it. It's really good, from Amazon. What else? So yeah, we have like the little dining area here, which is also my workstation now that we're working from home, because we only have 1 desk and my husband is using it, but I'm really happy with this area, like right next to the window. Here's like my laptop and stuff. I don't remember where this table and the chairs are from, but they were a set. Here I have my TV. It's like right across from the couch. These like TV entertainment things were a set as well, of like 3 things, and I don't remember where we got them from. It was a few years ago. And yeah, I'm gonna show you the little kitchen now. My kitchen is really tiny, but it's fine. Okay, so this is basically my kitchen. Honestly, I don't love it, but it's fine. It looks pretty small, but actually I have plenty of storage. Like, the cabinets are pretty big, and like I can pretty much fit everything that I want. I try to decorate a little bit, but I don't know. I'm not crazy about how the kitchen looks, but it's fine. I'm happy that I'm moving out and I'm gonna have a nicer kitchen. But this one, honestly, it's completely fine. But it's just basically it. This is just like this little thing. That's my kitchen. Nothing super exciting. Let me show you a little bit of the little decorations that I have. I'm really loving this one. I got it from Target, from like the dollar section, but it's really cool with like different types of apples. This was obviously fall decor, but I feel like it works for year round, so I just kept it up. I have these 2 little prints from, I think, Target. And I love it, especially like the pink one. It's so cute. This one is also from Target, and it was actually a set with a lemon as well, which was super cute, but I broke it, so I only have the pair now. And then I have this thing above my sink, which is from Dollar Tree and is another like faux thing, but I love it. I love the aesthetic of it, like a farmhouse stuff, so I kept it up as well. And then my oven mitts are still my Christmas ones, but I just haven't bought anything better, so I'm just keeping them for now, but I will update them soon. I also wanted to show you guys this freaking cabinet, which my husband and I put together, and it's kind of like our pantry thing. And this was such a pain to put together. We got it off Amazon, and we literally spent like 3 days putting it together, and it was such a nightmare. So I really hope that we can leave this here, and I really hope that the next renters will be willing to buy it, or maybe our landlord. I don't know. I just hate that thing so much. Okay guys, so this is my bedroom. Kami is on the bed. He's actually obsessed with the bed when it's like all made up. Right, Kim? But I mean, yes, I really love the size of the bedrooms in this apartment, but they're both really dark because they're pretty big, but at the same time they only have this like tiny window right there. So here I have some like photos from our wedding, some like knickknacks and stuff. This is basically one of our dressers, which we will probably get rid of. We're not taking this into our new place. This is my husband's side and his bedside, and his like night table is like much more organized than mine. We have this light box, which is still with a little tag from a previous video that I made. Yeah, so he sleeps on this side, I sleep on the other side. This is my nightstand, and obviously I have a lot more stuff on it. These shelves were here when we moved in. I got this canvas from, I think, TJ Maxx, just some random stuff on them. So I really like this canvas, but I feel like it forces me to decorate everything in navy blue in my bedroom, which I don't know, I'm kind of tired of it. So I think in my new apartment, this canvas won't be in the bedroom. I'm gonna find another spot for it so that it doesn't like dictate my decoration choices that much. I like this little like storage bench. This is our second dresser. They were a set, and we're not taking this one either. Just have some random stuff on top. And then I really love my vanity. I got my vanity from Amazon. I got the lights separately, and I'm obsessed with them. They also have a little dimmer, which I think is super cool. And I have a ton of stuff on my vanity, obviously. But I really like having this like little area to get ready. I think it's super cute. On this side is my closet. I really hate the closets in this apartment because it's really old, so the closets are really tiny. I don't know if I want to show you my closet because it's pretty embarrassing. It's not very organized, but let me try. So this is another thing that I'm really looking forward to in the other apartment, to have a bigger closet and like more storage space. Here on this side of across from the bed is my cat's cat tree, and they love to be on that thing. And this is usually the most desired spot, like the top one. But yeah, that's pretty much my bedroom. Not super interesting, but I don't know. I think it's fine. So here's the bathroom. It's not amazing. It's like super basic. I tried to decorate with some things like these little things from IKEA. I have candles. I have a little like motivational message in Bulgarian. Have another little grass thing, some like shells. But other than that, it's just like a lot of stuff. I have this little canvas too. My bathroom is kind of like blue. Everything's blue, all my like towels and stuff. And this is my shower curtain, which I got from Bed Bath & Beyond like many years ago. But I mean, I like it. I think it's cute. I think those are orchids. And then here is my shower, which is very old and like kind of gross. But just the bathtub is extremely old, and like obviously we're renting, so we're not gonna like replace it or anything. But yeah, this is it. A lot of apartments in Boston are super old and people are not like really replacing things. So I mean, this is considered like apartment in good shape. And then this is our second bedroom, which is pretty much a storage room at this point. We just have all my husband's board games, his desktop and computer, and just a bunch of the cat's things. So that's the end of this video. I will probably make an empty apartment tour of my new place, so stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss my future videos, and I will see you next week with another one. Bye guys!